You know what? How about we play a game right now? Have a little fun called Dominoes with decks. Here we go. And now, Dominoes with decks. Take a look. I'll try to walk this on the stairs without breaking my neck. Here we go. Theme decks, some world decks, some other decks, a lot of decks. And of course, the gang. Are we ready? Let's give it a try. Hang on. I'm jumping up to my perch. Hold on. I'm putting the camera over. I'm climbing without trying to break the stair railing. I've achieved my perch. And now, Dominoes with decks. Yes! So I know I'm going to get a couple of questions on that video, and I just want to make it clear that no actual Pokemon decks were harmed in the filming of that video. I also want to let you know, some people will be interested, that I actually own all of the theme and world decks ever produced except for one. I don't have that one because years ago I only thought there were 2 theme decks for a certain set produced when there was actually 3. So I am still on the search for that one deck. So right now some of you are going to hate me, and like I said before, I'm apologizing in advance. You know I don't like to disappoint, but this video is about to end. I know we didn't do as much with card content today, but hopefully we had a little fun along the way. And maybe I set the stage for what's coming up in the next video, which I plan to produce and show to you in just a couple of days, not any longer than that. So plan to see you again then, when we're going to get ready to rumble, along with whatever my crazy mind comes up with in the meantime. Until then, please stay safe, and if you have to or choose to wear a mask, make sure it's a black or pink one. Take care.